If you're a podcaster that dreams of leveraging your podcast to build an online business with a steady stream of ideal fit clients, listen up. On October 1st, I'm launching registration for my online business academy for podcasters. This is the only online business academy specifically for podcasters that are wanting to build their business with a podcast first marketing strategy. If you're ready to put social media and paid marketing strategies on the back burner and focus on connecting with ideal potential clients with your podcast, this membership is for you. Now, this next part is really important, so listen up. I'm capping the membership roster at 50 total podcasters, and the price is going to increase after the first 20 podcasters sign up. Use the link in the show notes or go directly to www.podcastingbusiness.school to get on the wait list so you get first dibs on the 50 roster spots. I'm motivated to help 50 podcasters create a steady stream of meaningful monthly income with their online business, and I'm backing this offer with a $5,000 guarantee. I'm guaranteeing that you will bring in at least $5,000 in new revenue with new clients with your online business within your first 12 months in the academy. And if you don't, I will keep coaching you within the academy for free until you do. Head on over to www.podcastingbusiness.school for all the details. What's up, Pod Pals? It's your buddy Adam, and you are listening to Podcasting Business School. This is a show where I teach podcasters how to love their podcast like a hobby and build it like a business. If you're a service provider looking to learn how to leverage your podcast and get more clients and grow that online business, you're in the right place. This is a very special online business call-in Q&A episode. I did one of these last week in episode 510. Check that out if you are into this type of content. The podcast odds will be back soon enough. Just doing a few weeks of these to kind of spice things up. And we're talking a lot of online business. So for this episode, my good pod pal, Susmitha, aka the Veganosaurus, sent in a question audio clip. I'll play that here in a second. I'm putting the link. If you want to submit an online business question for me to answer on the show, the link is in the episode notes. Go ahead and grab that. And it's super easy. You just click on it, record it. If you don't like the way you sounded, you can re-record it. Super simple. Would love to get your question and I will answer it on the show. Okay. So let's play this audio here from Susmitha Veganosaurus. Here we go.
Hi, this is Susmita Veganosaurus from the Feel Good Factor podcast. My question for Adam is I have niched down on my ideal client as women who run vegan food businesses, but recently I've been noticing that about half the clients who sign up for my one to one coaching are not exactly from this specific niche. They don't match the exact ideal client description. So, my question for you is should I change the messaging that I have for my coaching program for my on my website to include these other kinds of people who've been signing up? Or let the messaging stay as it is right now, and then if others join, they join. Thanks, Adam.
All right. Thank you, Susmitha Veganosaurus, for submitting your question. All right. So let's break down exactly what we're dealing with here. And shout out to Susmitha. She's one of my favorite people that I've ever met in podcasting. She's super, super sweet. And what a great nickname, the Veganosaurus. I commented on one of her Instagram posts or a Threads post or something. And I love emojis. If you ever see me posting, I'm always like, fire, headphones, fire. Like I'm always doing the emoji thing. So I created her emoji. I put like a broccoli and a Tyrannosaurus Rex as the Veganosaurus. So shout out to her. So the key question of what we're dealing with here is her non-ideal fit clients are signing up for a coaching offer. So she's kind of niched down with her offer. She really prefers to work with vegan-based businesses. And non-vegan based businesses are signing up is what it sounds like. So then the question that followed that was, should she expand her messaging / niche with her offer to include this non-ideal fit group? All right. So instead of saying like, this is what I would do, or this is right and this is wrong, I like in this situation, like if I'm sitting here coaching Susmitha, I'm going to propose a couple of questions. And really the key question for me is, which of these two options is more important to you right now? Number one, generating revenue, or number two, your passion to serve only your ideal fit client. And there's no right or wrong answer. It's just up to her to decide. So I'm going to kind of walk through both of these scenarios. So, first scenario, if just paying the bills and just getting revenue generation going is the most important thing, then let's focus on that. Because that's important, right? We've all been there where we're just getting started, or for whatever reason, we just need to make some money. We need to help people. People are coming in. They want us to help them. We can help them. We have a service that they can pay us for to help them, and we can pay our own bills by providing that service. Sometimes that's just the place we need to go. So let's say that's where we want to go with this. So in that scenario, I would keep taking all the clients, but I would also think about shifting your messaging around a little bit, just in general within your brand, with your show, with your social media, to kind of a 2-layer vegan based cake here that put a little stevia on it. So we're going to think about our messaging around who we can help, which is more general. So I help, online business owners, or whatever the overall big description is that would encompass everybody that's paying her right now. And then you can also have that second layer of the cake where it's like who you really love or are passionate about helping. So you can be like, I help online business owners XYZ. I'm super passionate about helping vegan business owners. So if you are a vegan business owner, you are my ideal fit client. So we got to have messaging around that where we'll take everybody. Here's everybody that I can help. Here's who I specialize in helping. Here's who I'm super passionate about helping. You're kind of just putting that siren song out there to your ideal listener to continue to attract them, especially. So you can kind of have your legs on both sides of the fence here a little bit. Now, let's say we want to attack this from that second position where we're saying, hey, I'm super passionate just about serving only my ideal fit clients. All right. So vegan based businesses. I think an important thing to look at is going, okay, to me, I'm going, so Smitha needs to work on her discovery call onboarding process, because if the non-ideal fit people are squeaking through to the point where they're paying her, that's the place where we can kind of draw things down a little bit. And so, like with the onboarding process, if somebody signs up for a discovery call for me and does a podcast profit potential discovery call, I have them map out, their pain points, their price points to solve that pain point, but also their goals. And I make a note of, like, if your goal is X, Y, or Z, this isn't ideal for you. We don't need to be doing this chat. Some people call those like poison pill questions, like that will detract the tire kickers, the wrong ideal fit, the non-ideal fit clients, the people that are just looking for free coaching. So a good example for my brand is, I can help people with their sponsorship and brand collaboration opportunities. But if that's all they want, I'm not the ideal fit person for them. If they're like, I just want to get sponsors, that's all I want you to coach me on, that's all I want to talk about, I'm not going to take them. But if they're like, I want to build a membership, and I want to grow my show, and I want to look at building a sponsorship opportunity in addition to that, awesome, let's roll. So that's kind of, I have questions that are in alignment with that in my onboarding process for my discovery calls. So I try to weed out the people that are not ideal fit clients. So that's the thing I would look at. So Smith is like, what does that discovery call onboarding, the questions, what do those look like? Are we weeding out the non-ideal fit clients, or kind of steering them in a different direction? But also, if they do sneak through, that's still okay. And good news, you can still earn income from this. But I would look at it as, who do you know that could be potential referral opportunities, affiliate commission opportunities for you for these non-ideal fits? So maybe you don't even update your discovery call. Like, people are coming in, they're working with you, and maybe they are more of a outside of niche, outside of ideal fit client, but you've got a referral list of people that you can send those people to, that they'll be well taken care of, and you're getting your affiliate commission for their program. So you're still doing your discovery calls. You talk to them and go, you know what? You know, I just like to focus on vegan-based businesses, but you are a gym owner, and I know this person that coaches fitness professionals, and they're really great. I'd like to refer you to them. Would you mind if I made a warm introduction to this person directly? And you make that introduction, and of course, they know they're coming from you, and affiliate commission happens if they hire them. So I would really look at that to where you're like, all right, even if these people keep coming my way, I can siphon them off and still make sure they're taken care of. That way, I know Smitha, she is like the most positive, sweetest, kindest person you've ever met. And I'm not saying this is the way that you would be, but I could see the potential where she's like, I don't like, it's not my personality to turn people away or steer people away from talking to me if they're not the ideal fit. So this way you can still serve them, talk to them, make sure that their problems have a solution and somebody that you can send them to help them with that solution, and you still get paid. So I kind of like that for you, Smitha. So these are just some questions. You know, as a coach, I don't always have like this is the exact thing to do, because my business experience and my own personal journey is my own personal journey. So if I've experienced something exactly like you, I can say, here's what I did. Here's probably where I would steer the ship here. But in certain situations like this, my job as a coach is to get you to think about some scenarios via questions. Like my job is to ask the right question for you to think about, to help you filter this out and go, okay, if we're looking at A and B is the right choice for me. All right. So hopefully this is helpful. So Smitha, keep rocking it. I think you're doing great out there and you're helping a lot of people. If you guys again want to submit a question for me to answer via the online business hotline here, the link to my speak pipe is in the show notes. Go ahead and hit that. My only rule is I'd love for it to be 2 minutes or less, and I want you to shout out your show at the beginning. So just use Smitha's audio as a template. Follow that, and I will get you taken care of. Pod Pals, I appreciate you. If you're looking for some online business mentorship and coaching, like what we're doing with these episodes, would love for you to take a peek at my online business academy. We're cracking the lid on that on October 1st. Get on the application list, and then you'll be first in line for that founding members pricing, which will be a sweet deal. So I'll put that link in the show notes as well. Appreciate you, Pod Pals. We'll send you out into the world wishing you health, happiness, and many downloads. We'll see you next time. Breaking news, Pod Pals. My online business academy for podcasters will be launching on Tuesday, October 1st, 2024. This is the only online business academy just for podcasters that want to leverage their show to build an online business and get more clients. If you're interested in earning meaningful income every month with a podcast-first marketing strategy, this membership is for you. And this membership offer is backed by my $5,000 guarantee. I'm guaranteeing that you will gain at least $5,000 in new revenue and new clients within your first 12 months of being in the academy. And if you don't, I'm going to keep coaching you within the academy for free until you do. I'm capping the membership at 50 total podcasters, and the membership price goes up after the first 20 podcasters sign up. Use the link in the show notes or head on over to www.podcastingbusiness.school to get on the waitlist to join. You'll have the first chance to grab one of those 50 roster spots and get the best pricing. Everything's launching on October 1st, so grab your spot on the waitlist and get ready to take your podcast-focused online business to the next level.